Hey everyone, it's Joe and
Michael
from Bullion. Bullion. Oh my God, that stack is just way too big. Bullionnow.com.au selling you the best bullion bars and coins shipped to you worldwide from Melbourne in Australia. You missed my voice, you missed my effervescence, you missed my energy, didn't you? You did.
Desperately.
Look at this huge stack of epically unboxing products. What are we doing?
We are epically unboxing some 2021 koalas, and they're not just normal koalas, they're kilo koalas.
Kilo koalas. Let's do it. Let's get straight into it. Look at this. I don't even. So what have we got? This is going to be 10 per box, right?
Correct.
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. But I'm going to make a calculated calculation and say there's 150 kilos there.
There's 150 kilos here.
Oh my Lord, that is fantastic.
So if you're all looking for kilo bars from Perth Mint,
Yep.
I would suggest that the little bit extra that you pay for a kilo coin is absolutely worth it, because you're not getting, no disrespect to the Perth Mint here, you're not getting a mouldy old bar. You're actually getting a crafted
beautiful coin.
piece of art.
Look at that.
And they're really not that much more than a kilo bar.
They're really not that much more, no.
But they look sensational.
Not in the beginning as well. That is, you know, when they're first released.
Correct.
The coin price versus the bar price is a little bit different, but it's not huge. But then later on, there's that potentiality for, as we call it, the I guess the mini lottery ticket, that kind of thing. The
collector's premium.
Yeah, and we actually just did released a video on that, so I'll link that above, about bars versus coins, and of course Her Majesty on the back. I missed Her Madge. I missed her.
I love the size with these, because even with Her Madge, you can get the swirls in her hair and the jewels in the crown and that sort of stuff. You can actually see the detail in the larger bar.
Very cool.
And
very cool.
That obvious $30 face value.
Yep. Whopping.
Yes.
And pop it back over the other side, please.
Absolutely.
The reverse.
Even you look at the fur on the koala, and it's just
that's very cool.
Make a great coffee coaster.
Yep.
On the breakfast table.
Yeah, that's really beautiful detail.
It is.
We'll try and get that in a better light if we can. Yeah, there we go. That's lovely. Nice. Okay, so 150 of these bad boys.
150 of them. Now,
Okay.
as everyone knows, silver's getting harder and harder to get hold of at the moment. So this is a good way to stack the kilo bars. The only downside of stacking a coin like this is that it's recommended that you don't take them out of the capsule, so you can't actually touch the silver.
No.
But at the end of the day, it's your coin. You do whatever you like with it. But
Don't take it out of the capsule.
as a coin collector, I'm suggesting that you don't.
Yeah.
But that's a biased opinion. But yeah, 150 here. If you're after some kilo silvers, I would suggest this is the way to go.
Absolutely. And again, the price point over, more than a bar, it's not massive.
Yeah, it's not a huge premium difference when you're talking approximately $1,100 to $1,200 purchase.
Yep, exactly. All right, so if you're watching this right now, these are available on the website. Head over to bullionnow.com.au. We'll put a link to the specific individual sale page as part of the pinned comment and in the info section. And what else do we need to do? I've forgotten all the other stuff that we need to do at the end of videos. It's been a while.
Like, share, subscribe.
Like, share, subscribe, all that good stuff that I tell you to do. That's right.
The one.
All right, and of course, that's it from me.
And from me too.
We'll see you soon.
See ya.